December, if I'm not mistaken, the date is 2nd December, I got an email which invited us for a meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister to brief us on this visit of the Honorable Prime Minister. I'll just check up the date to be sure of that. And so, one moment, I'll tell you the date, exact date. It was on the Friday. Yes, 2nd December. 2nd December, it went to all MLAs, inviting us to the Assembly complex for a briefing on the Prime Minister's visit. Naturally, there's some protocol which we have to follow. Ani ao tinga gelo. Ao gel tanna opposition MLA ao eklo ashilo. And that time, I saw a presentation being given on a PowerPoint presentation, and in that there was a comparative chart being shown. What is the footfall and the statistics of Dabolim Airport as against the projections for Mopa Airport? I watched the entire presentation in total silence. I want to say this. I made no suggestions. I made no comment. I did not speak. I did not interrupt. I just watched and I listened. I was paying attention because I wanted to know the details, plus I want to know what do we do, when do we come, when do we go. So one of the slides which was shown to us was of this statistics. I will give you, I can't remember the figures offhand. It's like if it's 3 million projected, the other one says 6 million the other side. My question then in my mind running was, and this is what we will put it to the government, do you expect 6 million plus 3 million, or do you expect these 3 million to go there and then make it 3 plus 3, 6? If your projections are based on taking out Dabolim footfall or Dabolim figures and putting there, it is surely by your own admission that Dabolim is shutting down. If you are saying now Indigo is moving all its flights to Mopa, Cargo is moving to Mopa, you will not officially shut down Dabolim Airport. You will say we are open, but everybody is going there. And if everybody is going there, what do? We are waiting for aircrafts, they will say. So officially there will be no closure of the airport. But will it be viable to operate? Can you imagine an airlines having cargo there and domestic operations here? If they are having cargo there, they will move everything there. So you see, it's a vicious circle. You can fool some people sometime, but you can't fool the people all the time. And the truth will come out when the Mopa airport is fully operational. You will see that they will say, now we have no option. It is running in a loss. We are having no business. Therefore, we have to shut it down. This is what you will get. Take my word, record it well, because I can assure you that whatever lies they will tell you, soon after the 2024 parliamentary elections, you can be sure it will be closed.